Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Annette. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I bring you an unboxing from PandaHall Jewelry. PandaHall is a wholesaler website from China that they have all kinds of pieces of jewelry for your creations. We're going to go a little bit through the website and I'm going to show you what they look like, and then we're going to jump into everything that they sent me to create some great things for you guys so you guys can see everything they have. So here is the PandaHall website. It is really easy to use. You can scroll over the different areas that they have. They even have a $5 sale area. Fashion jewelry, big sale, or if you want to go through the beads, the different types of beads they have, you can do that here, as well as shop through all the big sales that they have. But if you just want to look for something in particular, just write down the word like I did. I just put kits, and this is where you find the different kits that I will be making throughout my other two videos after this one. This is where I found it. This is one of the kits. It's a DIY necklace. It's a beautiful necklace with different gemstones, and it brings everything you see here. It brings the chains, the clasp, the pearls, the beads, everything you need to create this necklace, and it also shows you a step-by-step on how to create it. So this is just a simple way of creating jewelry and finding a great place to buy it. Okay, so I took the bag that it came in, and I'm going to show you what's inside. So let me cut this through here. It comes very well bubble wrapped, and so I do appreciate that. Let's see if I can do this really quick. There we go. Okay, so I ordered a few pieces because I wanted to be very specific on what I wanted to do. So I hope that they sent everything. Oh yes, and they sent me some pliers too. Okay, so that's really nice. Okay, so first thing you're gonna find is your packing slip of what you order, which is really nice to have. If you have a company and you want to expense everything, you have your packing slip as well as your invoice, so that's really nice. And the first thing I have here, it's jewelry pliers, because obviously you guys, I wanted to test them and try them before I could even recommend them to you. I think they're a nice set. These are just your regular chain nose pliers, round nose pliers, bent nose pliers, and cutters and wire cutters that you're going to use. I like their ergonomic shape, and the fact that they have this rubber side right here makes them easy to hold and grip. So it's kind of ergonomic because it fits right in your hand. And let me show you what I'm talking about. So let me open this really quick so you can see. This fits really comfortably on your hand, so it's kind of nice to just, you know, use it. It's very lightweight too, so I appreciate the lightweightness of it, because after a while that you've been creating jewelry, you absolutely know that your hands get tired. So it's important to know that these are very comfortable and lightweight to use. So that is the first thing that I have on here in the first little bag that I opened. I think I put this backwards. Oh, this is really nice. I'm happy I did that. Okay, so on the back it shows you what a round nose plier is and what it's used for. Chain nose and flat nose pliers. So these are great. Okay, moving right along. Let's see what else. Whoops, let's see what else did I get. Okay. Oh, I remember. Okay, so here's what I did. Because they wanted me to review their products and they wanted me to make sure to show you guys everything you can find on their website. What I did was I went to PandaHall and I picked different kits of jewelry. That way I could just easily open each bag and create the different jewelry pieces that you have here. And with that, it gives you the instructions on how to do it. Plus it tells you where on the website you can go for full instructions on how to create this type of kit. In this case, this is has chains, has wires, has beads. We're going to create all of it, and it gives you a step-by-step on how to do it, and they call it, it's a DIY project with a wire necklace. So that is really nice because you get also everything in the bag. You don't have to purchase anything except the tools that you're going to use to create this. So they'll give you the wire that you're going to use, the thin and the thicker wire, the beads, the jump rings, the chains, everything that you're going to use. So that is a nice thing to have, because that way, you know, you don't have to run out and get anything else but what you get on the kit. And I'll be putting prices somewhere around here for each kit. And this is what's going to happen when I do additional videos. What I'm going to do is I'm going to recreate this particular necklace. It's going to be one of the videos. But I want to show you guys how the kits come. And they have hundreds of different kits that you're going to see on their website, which is really, really nice because you can just pick and choose at an affordable price. Okay, here's the other kit that I have. And let's just put everything here. I left the bubble wrap so you guys can see, but if you can't, then I apologize for that. Okay, so this one has little flowers, as you can see. Let me show you the actual necklace itself. I love these kits. This is the kind of necklace that we will be making with this kit, and I'll show you everything that it comes in, or it comes with. So you have the pearls. You have where you're going to put your little flowers, and these are the flowers. So let me open the flower bag so you can see it. There we go. These are what the flowers look like. These are so cute, like very cute. They're like a plastic or acrylic kind of flower, so they're nice. The ribbon, your head pins, and your clasp that you're going to close it with. So that, they're all findings, remember? I like to remind people of that because people forget that these are all findings. So it comes with all of that. I love this, a hefty bag of pearls. And then the instructions. Let's see what is on my last bag here, and then I'll show you additional things that I did get. Oops, I missed this one. Oh, and it comes with the chain. Okay, so I can't lose anything because if I do, I'm gonna have problems. Okay, so this is the other bag that I ordered to review, and this one is going to be with turquoise, and this is what it's going to look like at the end when we're done creating the necklace. So that's going to be really nice and really interesting to do. So let's see what we have. We have the turquoise, the chips, the little pieces that we have. We're going to use the tubes, chains, a jump ring, clasps, and wire. So the kit brings everything. This is really nice for you beginners. If you're trying to create something new and you don't know what to buy, this is great for you to shop at, because it will tell you, it will give you exactly what you need, so you don't have to go out and buy absolutely nothing except your tools that you always need, your basic jewelry making tools. So that's really nice. So besides these three kits that we're going to make a few videos with those, I ordered several rings that I really was interested in looking at, because I love the fact that it has all this intricacy here, and that I can put either a pearl, I can create a cabochon here with any type of beads that I have, or you can just create it out of different materials. So different things that you can do with these rings. You can also do the crackle glass pendants that we did. Just find the smaller size of glass beads and create yourself a ring with the crackle glass, or with a nail polish jewelry that we created before. If you haven't seen those videos, I'm going to link them somewhere around here. But those will be great for this type of ring, because I think it's going to look beautiful on the hand. The other thing I do like about it is that it stretches to where it becomes a bigger size. So this is one of them. I ordered a few of them. This one is a square one. Let's open it really quick. Look how pretty this looks. That is so nice. And then again, you can find different beads and different things to put here, and I think that will be like a great statement there. That's pretty. Again, it expands. I have two more This is the other one. This is a round one for a smaller size bead or pearl. If you want to put a pearl on top of this would look really pretty. Definitely put a little bit of polish in here, colored the bottom of it, do some acrylic, some Mod Podge, and put like a stamp with some paper on it, and then on top of it put the pearl and make it look very antique-y. It also it expands at the bottom, so I do like that a lot. And then for the last one that I have here, it's also resizable. Oh, this is pretty. You can have a double pearl there, a double bead or a double glass that you can use. I think it's gonna look really pretty. Plus these also expand, although they're a bigger size. I'm a size 9 and it fits me perfect. So, I mean, that's kind of nice. And the color is very pretty too. So, this is all that I received from PandaHall. I was very excited when they contacted me because it is really nice to have people look at the videos that you spend so much time creating, and that they appreciate it so much and trust in the work that I do, that they would contact me to review their products. So I'm very thankful for that. And you guys, I will link everything else on this video, and we will be creating a couple of these I'm going to make 2 videos on how to create 2 kits. So this is what I'm going to do. If you guys, whatever you guys want to see, go and just leave it on the comments down below. That way, if you have a preference on which one do you want me to create, then I'll create that one. How about that? And then I'll pick one and then you guys pick one. So leave me your comments down below, and then we will create these videos as a second segment to the PandaHall unboxing and jewelry. Okay, so I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and until next time, God bless.